guys, John Helsby from Kingston Dodge. Everybody keeps asking us, what's this eTorque? Well, eTorque we have on a 1500. We have it in with the 3.6 and the 5.7. In simple terms, it's a mild hybrid. And so what it does, it replaces the alternator in the vehicle. So when you look inside, this will replace the alternator. It's just a small little engine. There's a lithium battery underneath the back seat. And what it will do, it just gives you that extra power. And benefits of it, when you're on the highway with the MDS, everything shuts down to 4 cylinders. And instead of going back to 8 cylinders as soon as you step on the gas, the electric engine will kick in, will give you that extra power, and that will be where you're saving the fuel. The other benefit is when you're at a stoplight. And this is in the city, this is where the benefit is mostly. And so when you're at a stoplight, the engine will stop, and when it kicks back in, it will give you an extra 120 feet-pounds of torque. Torque is what gets you going. So that's where you're saving the fuel. So over a conventional 5.7, it will save you about 3 liters per 100, or about 6 miles per gallon is going to save you. Real good benefit, and that's why we have the eTorque on our vehicle.